everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. It's nice to meet you, and of course if you are back from before, then welcome back. Alright, so today we're talking about an unboxing, and the unboxing I'm doing is not makeup related, but it's just the item is just that awesome that I have to show you guys, and I am super excited, super stoked for this item. So without further ado, let's just carry on and start the video. Alright, so I've already unboxed the item because it was a Christmas gift, but, you know, it's still technically an unboxing video. So we are, or well, I am, showing you guys this beautiful, beautiful Smooth Q 3-axis smartphone stabilizer, aka a gimbal. Alright, this is what the packaging looks like. Alright. It comes in this nice white box, beautiful. All right, and in it comes with a couple of stuff. So let's show you. So it comes in this nice little bag. So if you open it up, it is packaged nicely. All right, so just in case if you're curious about that, it comes with a cord. All right, or better known as like a cable charger. It also comes with this very luxe looking carrying case. Beautiful. If you open it up, alright, the padding looks amazing. Clearly it's going to protect whatever it is I'm about to show you. Alright. Okay, so the item I'm about to show you, it's something I'm going to use pretty much a lot during the year 2018. Alright, it is this beautiful, beautiful stabilizer. Now, if you don't know what a stabilizer is, it's perfect for those who vlog a lot or just in general. So this thing, basically, you put your cell phone in this little mount, and it, you know how like when you're vlogging and moving around, you're holding your camera, you can't get like that steady view. Your view isn't stabilized, you know, but if you use this, even if your hands are a little shaky, you know, that's okay because it stabilizes your view. So it makes your content smooth, and it makes it flow nicer. It makes it flow nicely. It just makes everything more crisp and beautiful looking. It's just perfect for a vlogger. Which brings me to my next topic. I know I started this channel vlogging and putting out beauty content, and I kind of faded away with the whole vlogging, and I kept up with the beauty stuff. I still do plan on keeping up with my beauty stuff, but I feel like I might start vlogging again, as in I will start vlogging again. Now, I haven't decided if I want to vlog on a separate channel or if I want to vlog on this specific channel. I might keep it on this channel, you know, just mix it up a little bit. Beauty and vlog, you know, it's my channel. I do what I want. But this is a stabilizer, alright? It's just something I really wanted, and my wonderful boyfriend got it for me. So super excited for this. I know this video is very short, but I had to show you guys this. It's just awesome. And so I'll be putting out more vlogs. I'll be doing it, I won't be doing daily vlogs, but I'll be doing like probably like weekly vlogs, or maybe even like once a month type of deal. Maybe weekly, that's probably better. So probably weekly vlogs. If you guys enjoy watching my vlogs, please comment down below and tell me. And that's it, guys. I mean, there's nothing much to show you guys. The action is within the vlog content. You get what I'm saying? Once I start vlogging, you will see that the video content quality is just smooth, and there's no like shakiness. It's beautiful. All right, so, and I played around with it enough, so yeah. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this simple, quick, easy unboxing, not beauty related, so video. All right, if you want to see more videos like this where it's not beauty related and you're okay with that, give this video a thumbs up and click that like button down below. That does mean so much to me, and it does help me out. So please click that like button. Of course, if you haven't already, click subscribe. Click on that notification bell. Why not join the family? And that's pretty much it, guys. Alright, so I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!